Did you know your book is more than just pages? It's the ultimate tool to grow your business and to unlock hidden revenue streams. Today, we're going to talk about hidden revenue streams, how to make money with your book. So, if you've envisioned writing your book and envisioned earning money by selling books, well, I'm here to tell you that royalties are nice, but here's the truth. The real financial benefits of publishing a book go far more than just selling copies of your book. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the hidden financial benefits of publishing and how your book can generate revenue through lead generation, client attraction, and authority driven growth. So let's get started. So the misconception about book revenue. Many authors believe that the primary way to make money from a book is through royalties and selling lots of books. But here's the thing. For most authors, book sales alone won't make you rich, okay? So instead, a book should be seen as a tool, a business tool, one that opens the doors that will create other streams of revenue. And it can significantly boost your earning potential. Think of a book as a seed that grows into multiple income opportunities. And you're planting that seed so that you can get more opportunities to make money, right? So number one, let's talk about lead generation. One of the most powerful ways a book can create revenue is by attracting and getting leads. So using your book as a lead generation tool. Now, when someone reads your book, they're not just consuming your content, they're building a relationship with you. And they're learning valuable things to solve their problems, right? And so readers are naturally going to want to learn more about you and about what you offer. So when you're telling them how to fix their problem, they're going to know, like, and trust you. Here's how it works. You want to include a call to action in your book. This could be a link to a free resource, like a checklist or a webinar or an exclusive guide that requires your reader to provide their email address. So that goes at the beginning of your book. We tell our authors all the time that you have to have a call to action, and that goes in the beginning of your book, even before the table of contents. Or if you want to put it after the table of contents, that's fine, but you want to put it in the beginning. And it's so important because when people are looking inside the book on Amazon or Barnes & Noble and they look inside the book and start reading a sample of the book, you have your call to action right there front and center. And they can click on the link, they can type the link into their browser, or better yet, a QR code, and it can go straight to the form to put in their name and email. Then once they've opted in, then you could nurture those leads with emails. You can upsell them to higher ticket services and products. You can even ask for their phone number and do a text message campaign. There's so many ways to capture leads with a book. And with this strategy, your book then becomes a funnel. It becomes a generating steady of warm leads that helps your business and helps your business grow. Number two is it will help you attract high valuable clients. A book just isn't a book, it's a business card, but it's a business card on steroids. So some people will throw business cards away. They might take a picture using Camcard or some other app to help put that information in their phone, but then they're going to throw it away. But with a book, they're going to keep it. They're going to save it. They're going to put it on their coffee table. They're going to put it on their nightstand. They're going to save that book and they're going to read it so they can know, like, and trust you. And that will give you credibility. So publishing will establish you as an expert in your field. And for many readers, it will give them the assurance and the trust they need to hire you or to use you. So for example, a coach could use their book to attract new clients and to help them for people to know what their programs are. You could define each of the programs in the book and how it can solve their problems. A consultant can also use it to position their book as a showcase of their expertise, making them be the choice or the go-to in their industry. And entrepreneurs, of course, can use it and use their book to promote services or high-ticket offerings. But a book will provide value, right? It builds trust, it solves problems, and it makes it easier to attract those high-value clients. Number three is authority-driven growth. Publishing a book can instantly create authority. And with authority becomes opportunities and gives you that expertise that you need. And that will impact your bottom line. So here's what authority-driven growth looks like. It gives you speaking engagements. One of our authors just landed a deal. Because she has a book, McDonald's is looking at her more seriously. she's been speaking and she's been speaking for a while, but she didn't have a book before. And now she has a book. So now she's getting speaking engagements like with McDonald, with big names out there in the industry. She was just at the Christian Leadership Conference giving a talk. So there's so many speaking engagements. As a published author, you're more likely to be invited to speak for conferences, seminars, workshops, even panels. I've been on a few panels because I had a book. So you are the leading expert, and people will find your book and ask you to be a speaker or on a panel. And of course, a book can help you land media. You can get interviews, guest spots on podcasts. I know some podcasts won't even interview you unless you have a book. So it is really important to have a book. And it can feature you as an industry leader so that you can amplify your business. And then number 3 is partnership opportunities. So business leaders want to collaborate with you, and you have a book they can know, like, and trust you and want to work with you. So we know someone who wanted a partnership opportunity. They wrote a book specifically for this person, and then they mailed them a copy. They just did 2-day shipping Prime on Amazon to their door, gift wrapped it. And if you know what they like, you can also include like their favorite candy or something or their favorite drink and ship it right to them when you order it from Amazon, and it goes straight to that person. Skips all gatekeepers and helps you get your book in front of them. There's even a little trick we use where you can write a note in the book that says, check out page 50. I know this will help your business. Or check out page 50. I have an idea for you. Stuff like that. It really works. And it gets you partnership opportunities. So how do we turn pages into profits? So let's take a quick example. Let's imagine a leadership coach who writes a book about building high performance teams. They sell their book for $20 on Amazon. Oh, that's great, right? They're selling $20, right? Well, it's within the book, they're going to include a link to a free webinar, and it's going to generate hundreds of qualified leads. And from those leads, they're going to close $10,000 in new coaching clients. They're also going to get invited to speak at corporate events and earning another $5,000 every time they speak. So just with the coaching client and the speaking fee, that's $15,000 in revenue just from one book. That doesn't even include the ongoing sales of the book or the ongoing sales in new coaching clients and new speaking gigs. So how can we help you? How can I help you get your book done in 2025? We have been publishing now for almost 10 years. June will be 10 years. And we would really love to help you publish your book as well. So how can we help you? Well, we can help you to craft your book. We can help you align your business goals and position you so that you have a lead magnet and you're the authority and you can build your audience with the book. We can help you with your call to action. We can help you with your social media campaigns and help you maximize your book's potential. And then, of course, we can help you become bestseller. We have proven strategies. We help your book get number 1, and we help it get noticed right out the gate, right when it's launched. We help you hit the top charts of Amazon. So don't leave any money on the table. Publishing a book is more than just seeing your name in print and selling books online. We can help you drive your business growth, and we can help you leverage your book correctly. So let us know if we can help you. You can, of course, like and comment here on the video. And then, of course, you can visit eliteonlinepublishing.com and get started today working with us. Drop a comment below about your dream outcome from publishing a book. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy writing.